Today we're there with
Shanique Marie.
Shanique Marie. In your opinion, who you think is the king of dancehall?
I mean that is a given. What I'm saying? Lord, me can't do it. Anyway, we all know that the king of the dancehall is no Vibes Cartel. But we have to give respect and dues to King Beanie Man. Because you don't know, he has been one of the legends of dancehall for many years and he continues to be. But right now the reign has been handed over, I think, to Vibes Cartel.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how beautiful you think you are?
Well, I am a child of God, so I'm going to give myself a 10 out of 10.
Anyway, who is the biggest influence in music?
To be very honest, my style of music, even though I'm a multi-genre artist and I sing a lot of things and I DJ and all of those things, it started out in jazz, so I'd have to say Ella Fitzgerald.
Okay, that's a good answer. Do you have any favorite song of yours?
I love all my songs. I'd have to say Coconut Jelly Man is my favorite. And actually, that's the song that really took me internationally. That's the song that blew up on BBC. And that's where my European and UK touring began. So I'd have to say that's my favorite.
Can I get a piece of that song, miss?
Sure. Coconut Jelly Man. Coconut Jelly Man. Coconut Jelly Man, oh you swing your calypso. You got me hooked on jazz, now you look up province so hey. What did that I gotta do? What did that I gotta do? Coconut Jelly Man. What did that I gotta do? What did that I gotta do? Yeah.
What is under my nose?
I'm out.
Today we're there with
Jidan Grimm from Portmore, Waterford. Yo, big up your report, same speed. You know.
In your opinion, who is the king of dancehall?
Who's your winner?
2025.
Who get crowned out there?
Vibes Cartel.
Still fancy?
But there's 2 crown and 2 king. Are you talking about the current king?
Right, yeah. So, you ever watch Lord of the Rings and Game of Thrones and them some there?
Yes, sir.
You realize when a new king forward the same crown, a next king get?
That, me see.
So it can't be 2 crown.
That's true. So your final answer is?
Adi, Voice Cartel, my friend. Man. Oh, yeah,
Today we're there with
Reggae artist Fire George from Kingston, Jamaica. I don't know. Scotch.
Fire George. In your opinion, who's the king of dancehall?
Yeah, I hold up a king, you know. You have King Yellow Man, you have King Beanie, and at this moment, them get cartel, the king thing, so you don't know. Every man a king on earth, you see me I say about them hard work, because right now, cartel a sell out stadium, Buju Banton a sell out stadium, and who again, Massacre them a sell out stadium. All of the man them dancers are going good, so I don't know what they call it out on the road. I don't know, but cartel are running with it right now.
It's a Fire George. Who is the biggest influence in music?
You don't know, the Bob Marley and the wheel of them, you know. You see me I say, and Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, and them man there. You see me I say, apart from that, you know, I love Kenny Rogers, I love Michael Jackson, I love a great singer, American singers them. So you don't know, listen to great singers. Yeah, that's what it is.
You will peace now, Mr. Fire George.
Kingston, you better watch how you walk in a Kingston. Oh gosh, Kingston, you better watch your friends when you keep in a Kingston. It's a hustling spot where everyone can make a dollar. Rude boys on the corner, policemen on the cover. It's a hot spot. Any minute, any second, any time, you can hear a gunshot. And another one die like that. It's just like that. Kingston.
Yeah. Big up yourself, Mr. Fire George. No, where people then can find you?
Yeah, you can find Fire George on all social media, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube. You don't know, and yeah, but anyway you go on the social media, you can find me because I'm there everywhere because over 145 songs we have on the YouTube and Spotify. So you can go there and go give us support and you know, so reggae music is up and live and running. What do you think again in the street? What?
Views of the people.
Views of the people. So you don't know from Jamaica to the world. Scott, Fire Jar said the views of the people to the world. Views of the people to the world, to the world, to the world. Views of the people. Some talking this, some talking that. But I know I'm off in Fire Jar. Scott. Boom!
Alright. Today we're there with
Anaconda.
Alright, Mr. Anaconda. In your opinion, who's the king of dancehall?
Right, I know every man get them time and every man do them prime, you know. See? It's when Beenie Man get him time, him do him prime, right? Now a cartel get him time, I do him prime. So I just cartel time. Yellow man get him time, him do him prime. When my time come, I gotta do my prime, you understand? So when I hear a time for shine, I hear a time for shine. And when I wanna shine, just go and look and just hold a vibe. You understand me? Because you don't know how thing go. You've been down that road already, you know it feel. I just you feel advance more rapidly upon your time when your time was at the spot. You understand me? So right, so let me just say, music dash party that make kind of feel away. Feel car. Remember say Carter do 13 years in a bar behind bars and touch the road and still strong in the music. So apart from that, him do good songs and him write. He's a good writer and you know regardless of what one, Beenie Man is a good artist also too. So to my belief, but I say dancer they are good places party for there. Carter like the king right now. That me say right now. Beenie Man I'm a general series up and running. Let me say.
If you have a king, there must be a prince. Who is the prince of dancehall?
But when I say the prince of dancehall, I'm me, Anaconda. I'm coming out very strong with some bad tone and good attitude. I mean, I'm back in the music. Me have things a jump in the music. You think me a flop in the music. Me hot in the music. Oh.
Yeah, man, give a piece of DJ.
Yeah. I want a paper iron for me say, girl, me love all your wine. Tick it and tuck it pan time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Alright, me love all your wine. Tick it and tuck it pan time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Alright. Wine and go down low, 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 low. When you wanna keep on your ease and to low, low, low. Hold pan the baseline down, le, go. When you want wine, tell your boyfriend, low. You can do it fast and slow, low, low. Do it in a deep sea and shallow, low. A boy want a free wine, tell him no. Dip your one in your pocket for you. Hey, girl, move up your waistline. Tick it and tuck it on time. Oko juicy in your spine. Them can't stop you from shine. Captain Uku with the uku. Man, them so you little. And any boy can wine in your pickle, broke out in the party, wine and jiggle, music a play at girl them a jiggle, lick up on table, peanut and nibble, watch out the sexy girl a cause pay trouble, woman me love all your bubble, hey, girl me love all your wine, ticky and tacky pan, ticky and tacky and, that is it.
Yes, people, check out the artists, big artists. Today we're there with
Reggae Max. You hear the voice, you know the voice of Reggae Max singing percussionist, representing for views of the people. A reggae time now, yeah. For views of the people to hit you with music, yeah. Who track reggae music, all the family. Now, yeah. You don't know, hear the voice, you know it's Reggae Max, representing for views of the people.
alright, Mr. Reggae Max, Beenie Man and Vice Cartel. Who is the king of dancehall?
Being a man and Vice Cartel, I was the king of dancehall. You know, really and truly, the thing is not a competition, you know, and you know, two of them are two king, you know. But yeah, man, are two real king, you know. So big up yourself, being a man, and big up yourself, Vice Cartel.
That's a good answer. So where people then can find you?
Well, TikTok, Reggae Max, Facebook, Reggae Max, you know, Instagram, Reggae Max. So I'm saying, yeah. Happy days are here again. So put a smile upon your face. Because of the people you are a winner. Na. Yeah, you don't know your advice, you know, it's Reggae Max. Come on.
Yes, people, check out the artists if you want good reggae music, alright? Today we're there with
Then I must, I mean them call Delimax, everything cool and relax, all there on the spot. They should know, boom bang.
Beenie Man or Vice Cartel. Who you think is the king of dancehall?
Boy, I mean I tell you, you know, the two of them really are work to the top, you know, and the two of them put out a good work, you know. Maybe that's a boy, so right now in the new millennium, I really cartel. You see me I say, cause Beenie Man done do more than a decade. You see me I say, me don't know the thing balance. Boom, bang.
If you have a king, you must have a prince. Who is the prince of dancehall?
So the prince, I tell her to the moon mind shop for me, you know. Because John me I put out the work, you see. I know say I'm a chicken, me a jerk. They should know. I come to the shop, but must get served. At the music attack, Deli Max, as they're on spot. Then I must.
You a piece of DJ?
Yeah, we tell them don't get weak in a Babylon seat. Babylon just get defeat. No, them want we swimming at the deepest sea. Damn, don't want we drive them out expensive jeep. Babylon not act like them nice. Me say it, ready fi go give a lot of surprise. And I tell you, say them more than polite. Boom, if you flip, you know that you slide. Die, ready fi go take them on another life. And right in the sight of the Almighty eye. This is more than wonders, this is more than sign. You never act like you're blind. They should know. Then I'm off.
Alright, DJ. Today we there with
Atachi.
Mr. Atachi, in your opinion, who you think is the king of dancehall?
The king of dancehall can't be decided just in a 1 second. There's different attributes to music, and we have to understand say music is not just an easy thing like that same way. It's like when you have reggae music and you can say Bob Marley, and Bob Marley come and deal with the thing I would know said by right now in this day and age, Bob Marley still have a lead by the graces how the family develop and how the music carried to certain different corners. Dancehall in itself is an art form. We still a grow as we know it. We're not talking about the venue, you know. So it's a thing where people have always debate about because you got to think about Vibes Cartel have the influence in our modern day and them thing there and being a man of the catalogue same way where the man they can perform with a live band. So different elements and you have to think about songwriting. So only for thing to the tweet, I don't think it's a clear cut thing and it's always be debatable because we know what's going on. Every generation want to win.
That's true. Who is your biggest influence in music?
My biggest influence in music is a very hard decision again because we listen to a whole heap of different music and we're influenced by a lot of different one of them. We can talk about even Dennis Brown as my favorite artist is Dennis Brown, which is Dennis Brown is my family, but at the same time there's the vocal capability and we make people smile, you know. So whole heap of artists we listen to from dancehall, reggae, and whole heap of different genre and overstances, a cultural thing, you know.
Give a piece of DJ.
Even through the storm, I don't get weary. No, yeah. Sell my goods in town, don't care who see me. No, yeah. Atachi, room dead, you know? Red or red.
Alright, thank you for your time.